Get out of there then, get out! They've gone berserk. Mr. Whippy's here. Can't understand their accents. I wish they'd speak English.
Can't get any bigger fork bits than that.
Listen to the birds. Sounds someone's lawnmower. So this fella bought their old house and did it all up. Costs like £3 million to fix up. Here we go. Hello. Farm implements that you farm with. The old barn. Wow. And look what have we got here. Hello. How are you? I think he is up as okay. He is back as bad. Pat that horse there. Here we go. The fox.
Yes.
Is there any foxes in Australia?
Oh yeah, we shoot them and no one cares. Everything
really?
go, don't pick on the old
Yeah,
fox.
I know, sorry.
Don't hurt foxes.
I know.
No, we shoot them on sight.
Do they look like ours as well?
Absolutely.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the same fox.
That's,
Where-
yeah, fox,
That's where we
yeah.
got them from.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
We brought
yeah.
them from here.
Yeah.
Move!
You're going to go and help him?
Here.
Go and help him. Because I always try to go through his...
Move!
So she
There
didn't.
you go. You just dump and run, do you?
Yeah, dump and run.
Dump and run.
That's it. He's coming back out again.
It's going down here to legs.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
I found her!
Where is she?
Open bloody gate.
Right, okay, go on.
Then how far up do I take this?
You need to take it up to the middle.
Yes.
So take it up to the middle about here. Take it to here. And then tip it.
All right.
And then come straight back out again.
Right, okay. Are you back there?
Found the little
Right.
girl!
Walk straight up now. Now. Tip.
That's one horse done.
That's one horse done, yeah.
It's not that hard.
Don't get the hay.
Yeah, don't get the hay.
Put that back. Put that back.
Right, you
No,
want...
this is hay. This is, yeah, not very good hay. This is.
I hope you're videoing me.
Yeah, I am.
Don't put my life in danger for nothing.
Can't get any bigger fork bits than that.
Is that enough? Is that enough? He's going to show me how to do it now, a little show off. Here we go. Look at him go. Oh, he's not mucking around. Oh, that's huge. Done, all right. More. That's a lot of hay. Is this hay or straw?
That's hay.
That's hay. Right, so if you just tell me the difference. What's that? What?
Hay grass.
Hay is grass.
Dry grass.
Dry grass.
And then straw is like wheat.
The wheat.
Yeah.
Straw is from the wheat. Hay is from the grass. You can actually see that that's grassy there. Oh, and it's rolled. See how they cut it and roll it like that? And that's just grass. But the combine cuts the wheat and makes straw after it's taken the wheat off, the kernels of wheat. Now, do they eat the straw or do they eat the hay?
They eat the hay.
They eat the hay and the straw is for bedding. All right. I think we've got that right now. Good work. I think you can stop there. I'm not going to be able to wheelbarrow it.
Yeah, you will.
It's too heavy.
It's not. Linkage? Do you know what the back linkage is?
The back linkage. Are you showing off now? Right, where's the back linkage?
These are back linkage.
Yeah, that's the back linkage. Check.
They're the back linkage.
And this
then
hook.
this is the 3-point linkage.
The 3-point linkage.
This bit hooks up to this, and then these two hook up to.
Oh, that's
This
three.
one hooks up to this one, and that one hooks up to that one.
So that's the 3-point linkage.
Yeah.
En deux trois.
And then these two hydraulic lines hook.
Oh, a little show
One
off.
goes into there,
My goodness.
and then one goes into
Yeah,
there,
very good.
and then
And what does it do? It rams.
no. So then you go to the control panel,
Yes.
and then there's buttons that control. I'll go across there. These controls control these arms. So say this one could control this ram to lift it up into the air.
Yes.
This one could control the block bit at the bottom.
But what does it do? What does it do? This thing?
So when it gets up straight, it smashes posts into the ground.
It's a post smasher.
Post rammer.
Post rammer. Not a post impressionist like a painter, but a post rammer.
When
Yeah.
I'm trying to do straw, I always lean it to one side so it doesn't fall off.
And do you have to muck this out eventually?
Yeah, you get a bobcat.
Oh, a bobcat. Wow. Gee, the stables are old, aren't they? Now, I'll tell you a secret.
I think there's 2 kids around here.
It's Richard. Hello. This is the Mott and Bailey. Did you know that?
Nope.
What?
Mercy,
You see this hill
what are
here?
you doing?
It used to be a fort 1,000 years ago. It used to have a big fence around it. You know that's a Mott and Bailey, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that, yeah.
Yeah, it used to be a castle.
Yeah, and down the... Oh, they're coming out everywhere like ants. There was a moat around the bottom of it there, and up on the top here that had a big circle of
Yeah,
fencing.
Go all the way around.
Yeah. What's this called?
It's called a topper.
A what?
A topper. So it
A
cuts
topper.
grass. It cuts grass, mulches it, chucks it back out the
Well,
back.
no, mulch
like
is different. It don't mulch it, just
It
leaves
doesn't
laying on
mulch
the
it. It
ground.
leaves it laying on the ground. So the PTO shaft hooks into the back of the tractor, and when this spins, there's a little rotor in here that spins, and it turns all the
Cuts the grass, blades.
all the belts in the inside, and then it turns the blades underneath,
Yes, oh, you know exactly how it works.
and then
And that fits on tractor as well.
yeah, 3-point linkage.
3-point
link arm,
linkage, check.
Link arm.
Yep.
Yeah.
3-point linkage once again. 1, 2, 3. And that just cuts and leaves. It doesn't bail.
No.
No, you can't bail this.
Okay.
No, mowers, tedders and windrows are all different.
They're all different.
Because
Well-
a baler, you need to bale up the grass.
Apparently so.
Yes, a mower doesn't bale up the grass. It
Right.
doesn't windrow it or it doesn't ted it. It just cuts the grass.
Right, okay.
Unless you get a mower that can wind right. Don't do that, Smiley.
So this is the champion jumping horse, yes?
Yeah.
How exciting. We're just leaving the farm, which is just over there, and we've come over that stile. I think they call that a stile. That's a step over stile. And I used to live just behind those trees there. So coming through this lovely green field over to this hill, I believe These young fellas are leading me over to this green one here right in front. Yeah. The only thing is to be very careful of the shite everywhere on the ground. It's everywhere.
It's not yet.
No.
I electrocuted myself the other day though with
Looks electric. And there's another style. We came from down there, another style. But see, this is called the Nightly Way, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, the Nightly Way. So everyone has legal access to walk down here on this trail. You're allowed to be on it.
So this is our hayfield.
It's a hayfield now. There were sheep on it last time I was here.
Yeah. So that
Okay.
was the winter. Where we
Right.
put our lambs on it.
Okay. So you
then-
cut this grass and
Yeah,
you
we
make
cut
hay.
Yeah, we cut this for
And
hay.
the next time the sheep will be back again.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can't-
And when you mow it, does it put it into bales and it rolls it up, doesn't it?
The mower,
Yeah.
the mower just cuts the grass. Like, you know, a lawnmower?
Yeah, absolutely.
It cuts the grass. It don't,
Yeah, I've
it
seen a
don't have
lawnmower
bag.
before.
It don't have a bag,
Yes.
but it cuts the grass.
Yes.
It cuts the grass and leaves it on the floor. Then you go over it the next day, ted it.
Yes.
And the next
What's
day-
that word?
Ted.
Ted it.
There's something called a tedder,
A tedder.
which you ted the grass.
Teds
with,
the grass.
And then you ted it again the next
Ted it
day.
again. Twice. 2 teddings.
And then you rub it up and you bale it.
You rub it up and then you bale it.
Row it.
Ro-
Row it.
Row it. Can't understand their accents. I wish they'd speak English. If you were to cut this now, it would be silage.
Yeah, and you could get second cuts on it.
Because
And if you cut it a little bit longer, it's called
Silage.
haylage.
yeah, you can make haylage if you make haylage if you ted it like hay. but
And how high will it be if you wanted to
Haylage.
make hay? How high
about
does it
here.
grow?
Hay is about up here.
So this will be that high in this field.
Yeah.
That is incredible.
And then this field's called Round Hill.
Round hill.
Yeah, Round Hill.
Round hill.
Look,
Okay.
this is the Round Hill.
Because it's a round hill.
That one there. Can we take it off?
You open it up and see what's in there.
You never used it.
Yeah, I've used it until I crashed and had to get another one.
So you never used this one.
Can I pick it up?
That's your drone.
Ooh. Is there anything to take it off from?
So but it better be charged. Alright. So that's got to come off.
Oh, is it?
That's your camera. The arms have to come out.
Oh.
They go that way.
I used to have a helicopter, but it
And
didn't
they
work.
go that way.
What happened?
Just didn't work.
Now let's hope that there's charge in this. There should be. Camera's up straight.
Can I start it up?
No, because you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, it'll crash it.
Crash it.
It'll go whiff into that hedge down there. Oh, there you are.
Oh no. Oh
That's it. Right.
And we're flying.
no.
So,
Don't touch it.
so look, we can see if we turn.
Oh, you kind of was. You said that the wrong way.
There!
You said that.
Get a bit higher up in the air.
So I turned the camera off.
Okay, so now, if you come here and have a look.
Don't kill me!
What's your move?
I can't see. I can. Can we go in?
Greg, do you want to tell your viewers what's happened?
Oh yeah, it ran out of battery. Typical, isn't it? I had them all fully charged. I've noticed with the drone that if you just leave the batteries for a little while, they just drain out. So that you've really got to charge them just before you leave to do something because they don't hold their charge. They've gone berserk. Mr. Whippy's here. They've just abandoned me, like sprinted off. In a craze, in a fervour. Right, well the upshot of that is that the batteries ran out. Unbelievable. I had everything charged. Those batteries run out. Maybe they shouldn't be kept in the port, the receptacle port, because they just run out, they just dissipate. So I guess if you're going to use the drone, the moral of the story is charge up the night before. So we'll go into farmhouse and charge up before these kids burst blood vessels in their heads from the desire to use the drone. He's just explaining to me that these are called tram lines, and the fertiliser will go. The tractor's got these fertiliser sprayers, so that will service both sides of that tram line there, and then that one there. is another tram line, and that's how they get around to put the fertiliser on and that kind of thing. So they run through. You can see them all the way up the back there. Yeah.
Good route.
Are they the root? And this is wheat, is it?
Yeah, it's wheat.
Wow.
It's not ready yet.
And we know that after they take the wheat off, they make straw out of it.
Yeah,
So
you
the
can,
rest-
but you can shred it as well.
And shredded as well. So that's wheat. It looks delicious, doesn't it?
Better go put it back.
Hey, he's going to put it back. Good boy. We don't want to waste that wheat. He's a good boy. Look at this, how beautiful it is. It's just old farmland. This is a thousand years they've been farming here.
Where we launch your drone.
What's that?
We'll launch your drone in here.
Say it again.
So we'll launch your drone in here.
Say it again in English.
We'll launch your drone.
Oh, we launch a drone in here. Now I can understand. That's what I said. That's what I said to Ollie. Why can't we just come in here and do it?
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's ridiculous.
They'll do it in here.
Yeah.
Clayton won't like.
Let's go and have a look and see how the drone's going.
Oliver, don't go in that way, don't you?
Is that the drone?
No, that's the drone up there.
It's a plane.
There.
There's the drone there.
Look. Clever old stuff, isn't it? It'll go by the barbecue, it'll get melted. Barbecue.
You're barbecuing.
Yeah.
Texas barbecue.
I barbecue better than I cook. Yeah.
The sausages are lovely. And what's halloumi? What is that? Is that kind of cheese or?
There you go. Cypriot halloumi.
Cypriot, yeah.
Yeah.
God bless the Cypriots, eh? What will we do without them?
Yeah, that's all me that's ready to eat.
halloumi, Albert?